Everyone, welcome back to another video on You Gonna Eat That. And if you're new here, please subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, please leave a like and enjoy the video. And today, I'm going to be showing y'all what is inside of a AA, AAA battery. I've always been curious about what was in one of them my whole life. Like if there was like blue stuff, or like wiring, or even if it's like if you can get shocked by it even. So I'm gonna be doing that. So see you guys. Here's the battery. Just gonna set it down right here. Right here's good. Oh wow. This battery is really warm. I'm gonna try to smash it right on the top to see if it'll explode. There we go. Whew. It's hot. Ew, guys, look at this. This black stuff just came out of it. I wonder what that stuff is. Right now the battery is completely smashed. Whoa. Something just shot off the back of it. Oh, guys, look at this. I'm gonna try to pull this out. It's like a piece of fabric. Ah. All kinds of stuff going on here. Alright guys, so I completely smashed the battery into pieces and something shot out over this way. I'm gonna find out what it is. Oh, it was just this stuff right here. So that's not super interesting. I'm gonna get a different battery. I'm gonna get one that probably looks nicer. So let me get that real quick. I think I'm gonna do a AAA, and don't know what the name of this battery is, but and one of these. I'm gonna end the video, and then we'll be right back outside. Alright guys, so I have a AAA battery, AA Duracell Quantum, and an off-brand AA battery. Get that out of here. Alright. First I'm gonna be doing this off-brand battery. I'm gonna try to smash out the top and see if something will shoot out the back of it. Oh gosh, that went flying. Comment down below, because all these batteries are dead. So I wonder if I get like a fully charged battery, if it'll make any difference. Comment down below if I should do that. Not getting much out of this one. This thing's really well built, but it doesn't have much battery life. Alright, so guys, that's what that just looked like. So now, I'll be doing the AAA battery. It flew all the way back into my garage. Alright, well that thing's gone. I'll just do this one. Yeah, smash them a little bit at a time to where they don't fly off. You can lose it very easily. Oh, I got a better idea. I'll just stand it up straight like this. And I'll smash it straight down to flatten it out. I basically just punched a hole through it. Oh, smash. God. Okay. I'm basically just hammering out the top right now. Oh. Well, there's batteries. We're done. So we got the use out of these two, but the AAA and the AA battery is gone. That just like flew. That stuff is gone. So I'm gonna put this hammer back real quick. What else? Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications and comment down below if you think I should do a fully charged battery. And bye. Thanks for watching. I'm outside right now. I got my little setup right here with the AA battery. So I'm gonna get a hammer real quick. Here's the hammer. So I'm gonna be trying to see what's inside of this. Please smash the like button right now for me doing this. Here we go. Oh, that didn't work. I'm gonna set the camera down real quick. Here, I'm gonna stop the video and start it back up again. Let me reset my camera.